SimpleWater takes everything about testing your home or well water to a professional level when it comes to water testing. With the purchase of a SimpleWater Tap Score Advanced Water Test Kit, you can test up to 100 chemicals with guaranteed, quantified results that match EPA lab testing methods. SimpleWater relies on unbiased health and treatment support from Ph.D. Berkeley scientists and professional engineers. The SimpleWater Test Kit includes sterilized water sampling vials, return shipping labels, and specially designed insulated packaging. Collect your preferred water sample. Send your water sample using the included packaging and return label. SimpleWater's world-class laboratories will test for lead, arsenic, heavy metals, VOCs, bacteria, and other harmful parasites in your tap and well water, rainwater, and spring water. Your proprietary tap score is returned quickly via U.S. mail or the SimpleWater's SimpleLab app. The pros are results within 5 days post-lab test, actionable treatment advice, professional Ph.D. and engineer customer service agents. The cons are considerable water testing investment, third-party lab delays,